Hi, my name's Jay, and today I'm going to do a testimony for Tony's meditation classes. My favourite thing about what Tony teaches me is you don't have to be an expert. You can just be a beginner and you can just learn. Like, I love how you just come in here, he has no expectation, you have no expectation, and you just, when you leave, you feel like you're floating on air. Like, sometimes I don't want to fall asleep in class because his meditations are super good and they're really, really amazing, and I super love them. Like, they're super good. Like, I go home and you just like feel like nothing can touch you. You're super airy, super relaxed. And that's probably the best thing. It's like you come in here when you wake up, you might be having a bad morning or whatever it is, and you come out of here and you feel a lot more refreshed, you feel a lot more clear-headed, and you can take on the day. And that's probably the best benefit from his classes is the before and after. And obviously after, when you go home or when you wake up yourself, when he doesn't do the classes, you can do them yourself because he teaches very effectively, and I think he's a great teacher overall. Now I've learned my fourth language, actually due to being able to think clearly, due to my breathing techniques, I'm finding it a lot easier to retain a lot more information quicker, especially when someone speaks to me. I might not understand everything, but because I find that because you breathe in a certain way through your diaphragm rather than your chest, it becomes a lot more easier. But his classes have been really amazing, especially with relieving stress from uni, work, and even just everyday life. Like now, like for half an hour, even by myself, I'll just meditate because he's taught me really great techniques on how to meditate. If I had to recommend to my best friend about this class, I would just say you come in with no expectations. Just come in, just be yourself and enjoy it because he teaches really, really well and he doesn't expect you to be a professional. Like, you can be just like me, an average person, and just, you come out and he's just so happy that you're here. Like, give it a go because it's so different than other classes. He even asks you every class, like, what do you want to tackle on? Like, what meditation do you want to do? What other things do you want to learn, because some people have different objectives and goals, and he really tries to get everyone's goals and everyone's objectives in the class, which is really great. So if I had to recommend that to my friend, just come in and just say you want to learn this, and he'll teach you. Like, he's like an open book. It's very good. I love it. I think it's changed my life in a lot of ways. Like, I do stress a lot less due to uni, but also it's more. I feel so much more freer. Maybe it's just because I breathe differently now, which is kind of weird because you don't realize how much your breath affects your day. Just breathing normally every day and in and day out, like, it just helps. It's helped me so much. Like, now I do more exercises. I feel more motivated. I even try to do some hard courses in yoga, and it's all because I'm breathing a lot more effectively. And I just love the benefits. Like, it's really opened my mind to a lot of things, and I think it's just the start of something good. I really enjoy it. That's probably the best thing.